We got a big one. What's going on, everybody? We got a okay. Move this to the side. How's everybody doing today? I got an unboxing for you. You can tell it's a big one, and it's from Funko Shop. If any of you are Funko collectors, you might already know what this is. This is my first 10-inch pop, but when I saw it was on the shop, I had to get it. So let's get right into it, all right? All right, let's do this thing. Okay, oops. Got my trusted dusty keys, as always. Oops, got that off, okay. Oops, that looked nice. Nice bubble wrapping. Got a little ASMR for you with that sound of me popping it off, right? That one don't want to come off. Woo!
Oh, here we go. Okay. Put that box to the side right there. Oops, funny was it here. And we got another box. All right. Look at that little dent at the top. Look at how side of the thing comes. Okay, here we go. Second box off. And da-da-da-da. Let's reveal what we got today. Uh-oh, come on. Tear the box to get this thing out of it. All right, here we go. That's the front, that's the front.
It was all a dream. Mr. Reed, Word Up Magazine. Bam! Look at that. 10-inch Biggie Smalls with crown, or AKA the Notorious B.I.g. is the box habit. I'll always call him Biggie Smiles. Biggie Smalls. Oh man. You can tell I'm excited and flipping my words and everything. Wow. Check out the back of the box. It shows the other figures you can get. Him from the Juicy video with the crown, with the black hat. Okay. And now, I'll take this out the box and see if this thing is big. This is a 10-inch pop, by the way. Looks to be in good condition. Oh, there we go. Okay. So many boxes, so many boxes. This will probably be the beginning. Ooh, another box, another box. All right. Holy mackerel, look at this thing. Jesus, look at the size of this thing. Love the way the crown looks. I've been sleeping on these 10-inch pops. They nailed the look. Got the Timbs on, the cane. I think this came from the source cover, but look at that bad boy. Like, can it sit up on its own? Oh yeah. Compared to, look at this. Look at this thing. It's huge. I don't know. Wow. So what do you all think? You like it? Just thought I'd do a quick unboxing and let y'all know what I got, but holy cow. Wow. All right, that's gonna do it for me. Did anybody else pick up the 10-inch Notorious B.I.g. pop? If so, leave a comment below. If you didn't get it, leave a comment below. Let me know what your favorite 10-inch pop is right now. If you get into collecting, if this got you into collecting, whatever. What's your favorite Biggie song? You know how to do. All right, it was all a dream. I used to read Word Up Magazine. All right, let me stop. I'm out, y'all. I'll holler at you later. Bye. Peace.